Hello and welcome to Olympiad tutorials. I am Aparna Adhikari and today we are going to study on the topic plants. In today's lecture, we will see a few questions from the previous year's question papers of class 3 and 4 from the Olympiad exams, that is the National Science Olympiad. So we'll be seeing about the different parts of the plants, different parts of the flowers, and all. We'll look into details, few level 1 and level 2 questions also. So let's begin. So the question is, which type of root is shown in the picture? If you see the picture clearly, you can see this is a fibrous type of root. So four options are there: taproot, fibrous root, single root, none of the above. So here your answer is fibrous root. Question number 2. The Madhubani paintings are made out of paste of powdered. Options are wheat, rice, corn and maize. So Madhubani paintings are basically, they have originated from the place called Madhuban in Bihar. Okay, and the paintings which are made using this technique of Madhubani painting, they reflect the folk stories from India and Nepal. Okay, so here the rice is powdered, and from that powdered rice they mix few colors in that, and then on a piece of paper these paintings are made. So here your option B is going to be correct, rice. Find the odd man out. So if you see all the four pictures, the first three pictures you can see, I think this is a turnip, second is also a turnip or radish you can say, and C is carrot. But the fourth picture, it is for grass, and here you can see the roots are basically fibrous in the picture D, and rest other three are tap roots. So here the odd man out is going to be option number D. Next, find the odd man out. Jasmine, carrot, marigold, sunflower. So it's very simple question. So here your answer is going to be carrot, because jasmine, marigold, sunflower, these all are flowers. Okay. Find odd man out. Potato, ginger, brinjal and carrot. So you can see here the options are very clear and very easy. So you can see option number C, brinjal, it grows above the ground, while a potato, ginger, carrot, they are growing below the ground. Okay. Question number 6, winter is to marigold. So summer is to question mark. You have four options, that is carnation, dahlia, sunflower, none of this. So here this question is basically asked that in which season you find which flower. So in winter you can see marigold all around. So in summer your option number C, sunflower, is going to be the correct option. And dahlia and carnation, these flowers are almost available throughout the year, and they are used for decorating the places or for decorative purposes. Next, question number 7. Food as to banana flower, medicine as to question mark, and you have four options: calendula, kachnar, rose and cucumber. So here out of these four options, calendula is used for the medicinal purpose. It has some medicinal properties. So basically the allergies, or you can say rashes on the skin, all these are treated with the help of calendula flower. Question number 8. Cucumber, grapes, watermelon, question mark. Okay, cucumber as to grapes, watermelon as to question mark. So your options are apple, mango, orange, pumpkin. So here you can see cucumber, grape and watermelon, they have a, you cannot say it is having a thick stem. They are creepers and they need support of other plants or some any other thing which is present around them. And so the creepers grow with the help of any other object or any other plant. So here your option number D, pumpkin, is going to be correct answer, because mango, orange and apple, these trees have a hard or a thick stem. Okay. Next, question number 9. In some trees, stems are thick, but they are soft like. Options are banyan, banana, coconut, apple. Very easy. Which plant has a soft stem? That is a banana. The other three, banyan, coconut and apple, they have thick stems. So these questions are quite easy. Level 1 questions are far more easy as compared to level 2. If you qualify the level 1 exams, then you can qualify study for level 2 and qualify the level 2 exams also. Just you have to understand the question properly and then solve it. Question number 10. The main purpose of flower is to provide support, water, seed and flower. So you all know that seeds are present inside the flower, or from the flowers we get the seeds. So here your option is going to be C, seeds. Support is given by the stem and water is used for the growth of the flower. Yes, no? Next, question number 11. Flowers grow from roots, stem, buds and seed. Very easy question. Option number C, buds. In Hindi you can say kaliya, phoolon ki kaliya. From that only is the small blooming buds you get the flowers. Okay. Next, question number 12. Which of the following are provided by plants? Option A, fruits. B, shade. C, shelter for birds. D, all of the above. So plants provide us fruits, they provide us shade, and even the birds also live on the plant. So here your option number D is going to be correct, all of the above. Then question number 13. Which of the following flowers grow in the wild? You have four options: tulip, rose, floss flower, none of this. So here your option is going to be floss flower. Floss flower, these grows in the wild, and tulip and rose you can find in our garden also. On a regular day these flowers are visible to us. So white flower is a floss flower. Question number 14. Which flower blooms only at night? So here you have four options: morning glory, evening primrose, sunflower, none of the above. This question is also very easy. Many of us might be having a evening primrose flower at home. So here your option is going to be evening primrose. They bloom only at night. Question number 15. Which of the following sequence shows the correct order of stage in the plant's life? So here this question was asked in class 4 2014 and it's a part of critical thinking. So properly you must read the options. So option A, young plant, seed, adult plant. Option B, seed, adult plant, young plant. Option C, adult plant, young plant, seed. And option D, seed, young plant, adult plant. So here after inspecting all the four options, you will see that option number D, if you plant a seed, it is going to give you a young plant, and from that young plant you will get an adult plant. Next question. A person who sells flowers is called postman, florist, milkman, flowerman. So here your option number B, florist, is the correct answer. Number 17. Mangrove trees have dash roots. So here you have four options: fixed, floating, breathing, underwater. So you know mangroves are found in the Sundarban region and they have breathing roots. The students of class went on an excursion trip to a beautiful garden. There they saw beautiful flowers. Ravi saw one of the students plucking flowers from the garden. What should Ravi do? So you have four options. This is a critical thinking question. Help the students in plucking the flowers, scold the students, explain about the importance of flowers, and tell them not to pluck them, and none of the above. So unnecessarily, if you pluck the flowers, then you will not get the seeds. And if you will not get seeds, then you will not get new plants. So here Ravi will explain about the importance of the flower and tell them not to pick them. Okay, so your option number C is going to be the correct option. Question number 19. Trees start from seeds and grow into mature plants that produce more seeds. This pattern represents a food chain, life cycle, food supply, lifespan. So at the very beginning you have a seed, you plant a seed, from a seed you get a baby plant that is going to be grown to a young plant. From young plant you'll get an adult plant, and then again you'll get a seed from the other adult plant. So this is a complete life cycle of a plant. So here your option number B, life cycle, is going to be the correct answer. This question was asked in National Science Olympiad of 2015, class 4. So here, now next question. The photograph below shows burdock seeds. The seeds are inside a structure like thin sharp hooks. Now here you can see thorny type of structures are there, or hook like structures are there. The surface is very uneven. So these seeds will most likely be dispersed when they dash. Dispersed means from one place they will be transferred to some other place. So how they might be transferred? So here you have options. Are when they, option A, are eaten by animals, attached to an animal fur. Option C, germinate in the soil, and develop in water. So if you see the surface of these flowers, you can see it is a very rough kind of surface or thorny type of surface. So it will attach to the animal's fur or the animal's skin, okay, and then from one place to other place it will get dispersed. Question number 21. The early stage of fruit is dash: stem, seed, flower, root. So here very easy question. Option number C, flower. So from flower only you are going to get the fruit. No, first it is going to be a flower. Then you can say the pollination is going to take place between the flowers with the help of the insects like honeybees, butterflies, and then slowly it is going to develop into a fruit. Question number 22. Which part of the flower produces pollen? Option A, seed. Option B, flower. Option C, root. Option D, cell. So here pollens are present in the flower. Question 23. Among the given options, which flower grows in winter? Options are balsam, sunflower, dahlia, and jasmine. So here dahlia, it grows in winter. In many gardens you can see different kind of dahlia flowers. Okay, very beautiful flowers there. Now these are the level 2 questions. So if you qualify the level 1, then you can attempt for the level 2 also. So here your question number 24. Consider the statements and choose the correct option. So two statements are given, and out of the statements either both are correct or both are wrong, that you have to select. So statement A is, the study of plants is a branch of biology, and bananas contain natural chemicals which can make a person sad. So here you have four options. Statement A is correct, statement B is wrong, statement B is correct, A is wrong. Both the statements are correct and both are wrong. So your first statement, the study of plants is a branch of biology. Biology is a branch of science basically, which is the study of plants and animals. So study of plants is called botany, and study of animals is called zoology. Okay. So here statement A is absolutely correct statement. Next statement B, bananas contain natural chemical which can make a person sad. I don't think so anyone will while eating a banana, if a natural chemical is released, you feel sad. We feel very happy when we eat fruits, and especially when we have bananas around, then we'll be very happy to eat them. You know, monkeys also enjoy bananas so much. So here your option B, which means statement B, whatever they have given, this is a wrong statement. So here option A is going to be correct. That is statement A is correct and B is wrong. So here the level 2 questions are a bit tough. You have to think for a while for selecting the proper options. Okay. Question number 25. Consider the statements and choose the correct option. Statement A. The method used to verify the age of the tree is to count the leaves in the tree. And statement B. Petals are usually colorful and attract insects and birds that help with pollination. Okay. So here if we look at both the statements, First, we will check the statement number A. The method used to verify the age of the tree is to count the leaves on the trees. So this is not the way of counting the age. If you cut a tree, then you can see a stem is like this. This is a stem of the tree, suppose. If you cut a tree, and then you will see certain rings, ring pattern you can see. Okay, so as many as numbers of rings will be there, that will be the age of the tree. Okay, so number of rings in the stem signify the age of the tree. So this statement A is wrong statement. And statement B, petals are colorful, they attract insects and birds that help in pollination. So you know, if a flower is very colorful, then and then only insects get attracted towards them. For example, butterfly will always sit on the wonderful, or you can say beautiful flowers only. So here your option number B, statement B is correct, but statement A is wrong. This is your correct option. Statement A is wrong, statement B is correct. So question 26, consider the statement and choose the correct option. So statement A is, lilies are presumed to have originated from the Far East and are one of the latest plants known. And statement B is, many of them have been removed from the dictionary. Many of these names have been removed from the dictionary over time, such as buttercup, dandelion, holly, lavender, and violet. So here your statement number A, if you see properly, lilies are presumed to have originated from Far East, and they are one of the oldest known plants. They are not the latest known plants. Okay, they have originated in the eastern world. Okay, but they are very old plants known. So statement number A is absolutely wrong, and statement number B, this is correct, because when you see the Oxford Dictionary, over period of time, these words, they have been modified with certain other words. So here option number B, statement B is correct, and statement A is wrong. This is your correct option. Question 27, match the following. Here you have two lists. List 1 and list 2. In list 1 you have grow on plants, grow on creepers, grow in water, grow on bushes. And similarly you have the four options of list 2, that is bougainvillea, rose, cherry blossom and lotus. So properly if you examine list A1 and list 2, you will find your option number C is correct option. You just check it. So grow on trees, that is cherry blossom, grow on creepers bougainvillea, grow in water lotus, and grow in bushes, that is rose. Yes, very simple question. Next, match the following. Here again you have two lists. List 1 is root, leaf, stem, flower, and list 2 is sugarcane, carrot, marigold, spinach. So here your option D is going to be correct. We'll just match it once. So root, carrot. Carrot is a root. Leaf will match with spinach. Spinach is a leafy vegetable. Stem, sugarcane, and flower is a marigold. Okay, very easy question. Question number 30. Read the statements and carefully and choose the correct option. So here you have four A, B, C, D statements are there, and in true and false, which statement is true, you'll have to say T, and which is false is F. So the root fixes the plant firmly in the soil. This is a true statement. Flowers grow from fruits. This is wrong. Fruits grow from flowers. Seeds usually have hard covering. This is correct, true. And D, inside each seed there is a baby flower. This is also wrong statement. So here first is true, next is false, third is true, again fourth is false. So here your option number A is going to be the correct option. Next question. Read the statement carefully and choose the correct option. Banyans also have roots that begin their life above ground. They have hanging roots. Yes. Then chocolate is food made from cocoa beans. Petals are usually black and white in color. And number D, that is taproot is short and thin. So here banyan roots have roots that begin with their life above the ground. Yes, they have floating roots. So here this will be true. Chocolates is grown from cocoa beans. This is also true. Petals are black and white in color. So this is false. Petals are not black and white. They are very colorful. And for different flowers, you have different colors. Taproot is short and thin. This is also false. Fibrous root are short and thin, but taproot it has a primary root and many secondary roots. So here true, true, false, false. So here option number B is going to be your correct option. So next from question number 32 to 34, here you have the options given and the perfect answer you have to just fit here. The roots also have some plants to climb. Example 32. Now here from the 32, which option is going to fit here, that you have to insert. Roots are used to support the plants. Here it will be from the 33 number question. And some roots store food and water. This is from the 34th options. Okay. So here for 32, your option number B is going to be correct. The roots also help some plants to climb. That is creepers. Basically, cucumber is a type of creeper here. Next, number 33, you have option C. The roots are used to support the plants, banyan tree. Okay. Next, some roots store food and water. So which roots store food and water? Carrot. This is a root which stores food and water. So here your options are marked very carefully and very slowly. You have to read the questions properly and then try to solve them. Then for question number 35 to 39, you have to choose the correct option. So question 35, flowers are used as dye to color books, clothes, furniture, none of the above. So we use the color from the flowers to dye the clothes. Dye means to add colorings. Suppose you have a normal white color cloth and to make it colorful, you use the flowers to dye them. Okay. So question 36, some of the flowers are used as medicines like calendula, floss, tulip, none of this. So here already one question we have solved. It was having the question calendula. So here option number A is going to be correct. Option 37, some flowers bloom only in day and close at night. So options are rose, night gladiolus, morning glory, D, none of the above. So out of this morning glory, this flower it blooms in the day and at night it is going to close. Rose it is going to remain as it is in the day also and at night also. Next question number 38, some flowers grow on bushes like cherry blossom, rose, lotus, none of the above. So out of these options, rose is a flower that grows in bushes. Question 39. Some flowers grow in water like camellias, sunflower, water lilies, none of the above. This is a very easy question. So here water lilies is the correct answer. Now questions 40 to 43, you have a picture given. This is a part of a flower, okay, and you have to correctly label them. So part number 1. Part number 1, this is option stigma, style, ovary and petal. So here part number 1 is stigma. This is a female part of a plant. Then part number 2, stigma, style, ovary, petal. So below the stigma, this is the stigma, and below the stigma there is a tube-like structure that is called a style. This entire structure, this is a female part of the plant, and here name of the plant, name the part name 3. So number 3 is the ovary, stigma, style, ovary and petal. So stigma, style and ovary, these are the part of the female flower, and or you can say the female part of the plant is stigma, style and ovary. And part number 4, This side you have, that is nothing but petal. And the other parts here you can see, these are the male reproductive parts of a plant. So very easy questions, children. Please do comment in the comment section if you have any doubts and all. So if you like this video, then put a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of all my videos as soon as I upload them. And for online queries and online classes and other queries, you can just mail me at adhikariaparna61@gmail.com. So we'll meet in another video lecture. Thanks for watching.